Hi guys, I'm Shane. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lynn Gomane. I share business ideas that we can all relate to as South Africans. So if you like the type of content that I create, please consider to subscribe, hit the notification button so you'll be notified each and every time whenever I post a video. So guys, today's business idea, it is to start a game studio in South Africa. So guys, you can start this particular business wherever you are. It can be in your rural areas, township, CBDs, suburb areas, anywhere that you can think of. You can start this particular business because the gaming world has increased in such a way that adults are doing that, kids, young adults are doing that. So guys, you can make money if you start this particular business. I'm sorry, today I've got flu, so that is how I talk like this or speak like this, because my nose are actually blocked. But then let's talk about today's business idea. So here are the things that you are going to do if you want to start this particular business. So guys, you will need to register a business. Your business, you will need to register it and have a business account, and this will depend on the area where you will be operating. After that, you will need to have a business plan. So your business plan, you need to make sure that you include all the important things on how you are going to be running your business, because you are going to be investing a lot of money. So but if you are going to be running your business in the rural areas or townships, you won't necessarily need to register your business or to even have a business account, unless if you are looking to go big as time progresses. The reason why you need to register your business, it is because when you want to operate in the CBDs or in a mall or suburb areas, they will normally require your business registration documents, and then a business plan as well, when you want to rent out a place, because they will need to check if your business will actually match their standard, or if it is going to grow, or it is just something that you are going to close in a short period of time. Because remember, when you are renting out in those like type of areas, you normally sign a lease agreement of at least 2 years or 3 years. So that is why they require all that. And then but if you are not going to be doing that business in those particular areas, then there's no need for you to do the business registration, business account. Yeah, there's no need for you to do that. So you can start this business at your lovely home. If you've got an empty garage that you are not using, you can turn that into a game studio, so people can be coming to your house to play games. In that way, you will be saving a lot of money in rent. So I always try by all means to advise you guys to start small. So let's talk about the things that you will need to buy for you to get started with this particular business. So I chose PlayStation 5. The reason why I chose PlayStation 5 is because it is popular now, but the problem is it's not everyone who can afford to buy it, but everyone would love to play PlayStation 5. I have never played PlayStation 5, but I would love to. So if I knew of an area where I can pay a certain amount which is affordable to actually play some games on PlayStation 5, I would actually do that. So that is why I recommend a PlayStation 5. You can buy one for startup, or you can buy two. It will depend on the amount that you would like to actually invest in this particular business. So you can buy some sleeper couches or any comfortable couches for your clients, and then you will need a sound system. You will also need a TV screen or a big screen, because it is nice to play games on a big screen. So guys, PlayStation 5 is around 14,000 rand in macro, and then your sleeper couches, they are around they start from 3,000 going up. And then the sound system, like if you want to buy the Bluetooth speakers, like the good ones, you can get them from 700 going up. And then your TV screen, I recommend that you can buy one in game or macro, because they normally have sales when it comes to TVs. And then you can actually get a 40-inch screen for 3,000. So game actually has sales, like most of the time they run sales in on TV screens. And then so the minimum investment that you will be looking to invest in order for you to start this particular business, it will be around 25,000. That is excluding rent fee if you will be renting out a place. So guys, you can and some other things like a pool table, a soccer table, arcade games, and other games that you can think of. This will depend on how much you have to invest into this particular business. So now let's talk about pricing. The minimum fee that you can price, it is to charge let's say 40 rand per person. So let's work with 50 people per week. I know that you can get more than 50 people per week in this particular business, because a lot of people love gaming. But now let's just work with 50. So if you get 50 clients per week, you will be making 2,000 rand per week. So to make extra money, you can also sell some what you call this refreshments, and then that can be your soft drinks, your snacks, popcorns, or any other refreshments that you can think of to actually make extra money. So it means that you can be making around 2,000 to 2.5 a week. So guys, that's it for today. I will see you on the next video. Enjoy the rest of the day. Goodbye.